Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at the colorful orange cat with starry night background diamond painting kit sent to me from DiamondArt in June 2025. I love this confetti-filled square kit based on the Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. I love Impressionist paintings, but the cat in the picture caught my eye. The orange cat reminds me of my Roger who crossed Rainbow Bridge in June of 2025. This is the first time a company has sent me a diamond painting kit for free, so this is my first sponsored video. The pattern. Let's look at the orange cat under Starry Night diamond painting kit from DiamondArt. This kit was sent to me for free in June of 2025, and it's the first time a company sent me a diamond painting kit for free, so this is my first sponsored video. This 50 centimeter by 40 centimeter diamond painting kit is listed as regular price £37 99 pence, or about $51, sale price £23 99 pence, or about $32, tax included, as of September 2025. I used Google to convert pounds sterling to US dollars as of September 2025. Please double check conversion prices when you purchase. DiamondArt currently offers free shipping. For many of its patterns, DiamondArt lets you select your pattern size and either round or square drills. Both round and square drills are the same price for the same size pattern. DiamondArt sent me their recommended size for this design at 50 centimeters by 40 centimeters, or about 20 inches by 16 inches. The smallest kit available for this pattern is 30 by 25 centimeters, or about 12 by 10 inches. Regular price for that kit is £20 99 pence, or about $28. Sale price is £12 99 pence, or about $17. The largest kit available for this pattern is 110 by 80 centimeters, or about 43 by 31 inches. Regular price for this largest kit is £97 99 pence, or about $133. Sale price is £62 99 pence, or about $85. This pattern comes with 25 colors of square drills, and it does list the DMC colors. I finished this fun kit in about 38 hours, working on it in July and August of 2025. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. This confetti-filled square kit is based on the Starry Night painted by Vincent van Gogh in 1889. The orange cat reminds me of my Roger, who crossed Rainbow Bridge in June of 2025. I love the colors, the artwork, and the memories of my Roger. At 50 centimeters by 40 centimeters, or about 20 inches by 16 inches, the picture is large enough to render well without being overwhelming. I enjoyed all the color changes. And as I worked, I noticed spots where I missed an earlier color. Instead of letting it drive me crazy, I waited until I finished the first 5 colors, and then I went back and worked on the missing colors 1 to 5. As I continued working, I kept a couple of extra trays out, and I filled in as I went. I know I'm going to miss colors on a painting with so many color changes, so I kind of take a deep breath and try to accept that. How do you approach confetti? Do you work on one color at a time over the whole pattern? Do you use release paper to work on a section at a time? Do you use a different method? Or do you avoid confetti-filled patterns? Do you work with both round and square drills? DiamondArt's website says most people prefer square diamonds because they create a fuller look when you've finished painting. Others like the round because they're considered easier to pick up and apply to your canvas. I feel that if you haven't done square diamond paintings before, you may notice that the squares look wonky when you start to fill in a space. They can look crooked against an empty background. As the space fills in and the squares bump up against each other, there's less room for them to be crooked, and they seem to straighten each other out. I picked this diamond painting because I love Starry Night, and the cat reminded me of Roger, who I miss dearly. I'm going to get it framed and hang it where I can look at it a lot. What makes you pick up some diamond paintings over others? Did you pick a diamond painting kit because it reminded you of art that you love? Or maybe the pattern reminds you of happy memories? Do some kits sit in your stash while you feel compelled to finish a particular pattern? Let us know in the comments what makes some diamond painting kits more special to you than others. I had fun working on the orange cat under Starry Night diamond painting from DiamondArt. The Starry Night background with all its confetti was fun to work on, and remembering Roger was important. I look forward to showing you more DiamondArt projects in the future. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.